Hello everyone, in this video we'd like to share the work that we finished in the Mercedes C320 build 2001 W203 series. This one is a bit special because we actually did the headlight restoration, clear, and then we fit in the error-free LEDs for the headlights. But more than that actually is about we did the entertainment upgrade installation for the customer because he is one of our loyal customer, and we brought in the whole head unit, subwoofer, amplifier, subwoofer under seat, and we fit in with the subwoofer under the driver's seat, and with the amplifier in the trunk, with the head unit from Anpai. So it is a lot of work throughout the car, from the rear to the front. Remove the seat, remove the front bumper, remove the headlight, remove rear seat, run the wiring, run the cable, run the power, and everything like that. So many hours of work, and currently it's so beautiful and it's nicely done, with the head unit in the place, 7-inch from Anpai, and with the Kenwood under seat subwoofer and amplifier, and with the Sony Explode 4-channel output amplifier. That's all customer brought in, and we spend time in the parts to add in and build up the whole system. So this moment is ready for the collection, and it's definitely running with a much better sound than it was from the factory. So we're happy with the sound setup, and especially for the light output. It's very proper, and it's very clear and white and shine up nice for the long distance driving. So yep, that's the whole system in the car. And in the trunk, the amplifier actually stay at the back of the passenger seat. So you can see that's where the subwoofers stay. It's all mounted properly, and all the wiring run properly, a lot of wiring. So it's all good, all done, and yep, because this is the first special, so that's a very special time we do the ABEC third-party system, and it is Anpai head unit, Kenwood subwoofer and amplifier, Sony Export amplifiers, all new wiring setup, all done. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.